Hi students, today I'm going to explain scalar product or the dot product. First I'm going to start with a unit vector. I have a unit vector A cap. This is equals to a vector divided by its modulus. The magnitude of the unit vector A cap will become 1. So next I'm going to define the vector along x-axis, along y-axis and along z-axis. So this is my x, y and z. The unit vector along x-axis is going to be I cap, this is j cap, this is k cap. So the modulus of I cap equals to the modulus of j cap equals to the modulus of k cap equals to 1. So the magnitude of unit vector is going to be 1. So the unit vector which will tell us about the direction of the vector alone. Now I'm going to explain the dot product or scalar product between two vectors. I have a vector A, I have another vector B. I'm performing operation between these two is a dot product. So the modulus of A vector and the modulus of B vector into cos theta. So in the right hand side is a scalar. So if I'm performing operation between two vectors, in the right hand side I'm getting the resultant I'm getting a scalar. So the best example for this product is work done. Work done is nothing at my force into displacement. Force is a vector, displacement is a vector, but work done is a scalar. So I'm going to consider two vectors, A vector and B vector in the same direction. This is I cap and this is also an I cap. So the angle between them is going to be 0. Then my cos theta equal to 1. Then if I take I dot I cap is going to be 1, j dot j cap is going to be 1, and k dot k equal to 1. So your parallel vector and the dot product or scalar product will give the non-zero value. We have another case, a cap in x-axis, b cap in y-axis, j cap. So my theta equals to 90 degree, then the cos theta equals to 0. So if I'm performing operation between two perpendicular vectors, I dot j equal to 0 or j dot I equal to 0. So I'm going to consider another vector as k cap. So j dot k equal to 0, k dot j is also equal to 0. K dot I equal to 0 and I dot k equal to 0. So if you're taking the dot product between two perpendicular vectors, your resultant will become 0. So now I'm going to explain how to perform dot product between two vectors. So I have a vector equals to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 4 k cap. B vector equals to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 1 k cap. So my A dot B equals to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 4 k cap, 3 I cap dot product 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. So if I'm performing operation between I and I, I'm getting 6. I dot I will become 1 plus. So I dot j will become 0, I dot k will become 0. So then I dot j only will survive and k dot k only will survive. 3 into 2 j dot j will become 1 plus minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 k dot k will become 1. So it's going to be 6 plus 6 plus 4. So it will become 16. So my a vector dot b vector, it's a non-zero value. So my a and b vectors are not perpendicular each other. Sir, what's happening if my a vector, which is perpendicular to my b vector? So I give an example. So I have a vector equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. I have b vector equals to 2I cap minus j cap. So the a dot b vector will become I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap into 2I cap minus j cap. So I dot I will survive. That will become 1 into 2 minus j dot j will survive. Will become 2 into 1. So this will become 0. So if I take the dot product between two vectors, if I'm getting 0, then this would be two perpendicular vectors. To get the regular updates, subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.